Hi! Good morning. No, it's not really morning. It's already afternoon. So today I will gonna make my very own whitening body scrub. Actually, this is the rice powder right here. This is the rice powder and cowhead pure milk. That one. Zoom. That's it. I preferred my milk warm kasi mas soothing siya sa skin ko pag warm yung milk, pag ini-scrub ko. So, why milk and rice powder? Kasi, nabasa ko siya sa internet long time ago na yung rice with milk, yun yung usually ginagamit ng mga Asian women, especially from Japan and China. Pero, tingnan nyo naman, napakaganda talaga ng skin nila. So, yeah, I decided to use this one instead of going to the spa and going out. Tapos, ang traffic, ang mahal-mahal pa. So, I rather use this rather than going out and spend a lot. So, magkano lang ang rice powder? This one, usually I go to the palengke and buy my own rice powder. Ito, parang, I'll choose my own kind of rice. 1 kilo, I usually get 1 kilo for, pili ka na yung pinakamaganda na rice kung gusto mo. It's really up to you. And then, ipapagiling mo. So, magkano lang yun? Let's say 50 pesos yung rice. And then, magkano ang pagiling? Parang 20 pesos yata. So, yeah, ganun yung ginagawa ko. So, once a week, siguro kung gagawin mo to once in every week, so, parang it will take you 2 months to consume the 1 kilo of rice, the powder rice. So, yeah, that's what I do. And then, this one naman, you could get it in every supermarket. This is a pure milk. This is a very good one. This is from, I think, this is from New Zealand. So, kilala ba natin New Zealand, diba? So, pagdating sa milk, New Zealand talaga. So, yeah, this is what I do. Rice powder and milk kasi meron siyang anti-aging properties, meron siyang whitening properties, and nabasa ko din, yung rice powder, may parang, it protect your skin from UV rays. I don't know if that's true, pero that's what I've read sa internet. So, yeah, this is what I do once a week. And so, I will show it to you how I do my body scrub. I forgot to mention pala that you could add honey on your body scrub. Kasi, yeah, honey is very good. Especially the natural one, yung hindi na na-process, or yung, kung may kakilala kayo, if you know somebody na they're selling the natural pure honey, mas okay. Kasi sa supermarket, grabe yung presyo. It's really sky high na parang bumibili ka ng ginto. Pero kung may kakilala kayo, better buy it. Na yun talagang hindi ka lulukohin na pure honey talaga yun. So you could add honey. And then, yeah, you could add honey. And then, I'm just waiting for 30 minutes for this scrub to dry. Kasi, or pwede din na pag na-feel nyo na medyo matigas na, or hindi nyo na ma-stretch yung katawan, hindi nyo na medyo magalaw yung katawan nyo because nag-stretch siya, or parang binabanat yung skin nyo. You could just rinse it off na lang. So yeah, ganun. And I will see you again later. Back after 1.5 hours. Well, that's including my makeup because I already did my makeup. Yeah, that's my everyday makeup look because I'm going somewhere. So yeah, this is an update after my body scrub thing. So yeah, it feels so good. My skin feels so soft. And I feel like I have a brand new skin actually. It feels really good. You should try it. Hindi kayo magsisisi, believe me. Because yeah, I will see you on my next video. Bye! Adios!